You taking them out or putting them in?
Put them in.
You're going to put them in?
Put them in.
Okay, we have to throw the switch if you want to put them in, right? As long as you're taking them out, you're good. Good job. Any more?
Yeah.
Got them all?
No.
One more? Very good.
Dimple.
What color?
Hello.
What? Color?
Okay.
It's red.
And
Red.
two.
Red.
Two and
Yeah? 2 reds?
yeah.
Okay. And what are you working on? What's that called?
And
No, what is this thing? What is this?
a coco.
A motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.